Good evening, excuse the hair. I just wanted to go through a bit of a nighttime routine with you. After you've cleansed and toned your skin, or maybe just use facial wash, I've got these little 5ml oils blended up that I'm happy to retail. I can post out, or if you want. In it there is frankincense and rose, almond oil, carrot oil and black seed oil. Black seed oil and carrot oil are both full of antioxidants. Carrot oil especially is really good for pigmentation marks on the skin, to help lighten those. They both really help plump the skin and up the hydration. And I've put those in with a bit of almond oil as well, just for extra hydration. Rose is excellent for the skin's tissue, so it helps with fragile skins. Frankincense is excellent, it's really revitalising, so it helps soften fine lines. They're both really good for tissue repair. So just get yourself a little bit of this. Pop it on your hands. We're going to go up the neck, across the chin, sweep up the cheeks, across the face, up onto the forehead. Now, I want to tell you about this area, décolletage. Do not forget this bit. I am in pyjamas, because you should be in pyjamas. And if you replay this video, put your pyjamas on and get nice and relaxed. So up the neck, using the back of the fingers. Rose is actually a very good anti-stress oil as well. It's a really good one to put on at night, to get sleepy. Dig in your fingers slightly. You need to do this quite firm. Drawing towards the edges of the faces where the lymphatic nodes are, to help to detox the skin. This oil would be really good as anyone with a dry, dehydrated skin, anyone with an aged skin, anyone with a normal combination skin, really. If you've got acne-prone skin or extremely oily skin, I would mix up a different oil for you. But the massage would be the same. So up the forehead, out to the temples, up and out, up and out. Across the forehead, this one's really, really good for releasing all the lines in the forehead, because the tissue grabs underneath to the lines. So if you just use a little friction movement, you don't need to nod your head like me, but... And then place your fingers like scissors, all those fingers on, and just back and forth. So when I do this on my clients in their facials, they can just feel it erasing all the tension in their forehead. That feels really nice. Turn it around into circles and pull up through the forehead. Third eye, halfway up your forehead, a few little circles. And then under the eyebrows, just push up with your fingers. Not really dragging or overstretching the skin. We just want to take the tension out of the eyebrows from the day. Little circles on the temples. Being gentle, you see I'm not really dragging and over pulling the skin. Under the eyes, I don't know about you, but I get puffy, so middle finger or ring finger. If the oil's there, it's actually okay to drag the skin very slightly, but without oil, no, that wouldn't be good. And then we're going to use the same fingers to just push gently under the eyes, and we're seeing the skin go yellow where we're pushing into the tissue. Well, that's really going to detox, depuff, send loads of blood supply to the skin to help reduce puffiness. You can do this in the morning, but it's just a nice treat before you go to bed. Apparently it's self-care week this week, so that's a really good way to start. You can do this watching the telly if you want, or hubby's watching the footy. But still, train him to do it for you. Pull out through the mouth. And then just pull down without moving the skin too much, because there's lymph nodes here at the base of the neck as well. If you get tension in your jaw, like I do, obviously you can do some lion yawns to release that. It's also really good to get your knuckles in there. And release the tension in your cheeks. And then this takes a bit of practice, but you can do like piano moves up the cheek. Another favourite when I'm doing a massage, my clients love this. On the side. You can imagine while you're sleeping now, your skin's going to suck in all that oil. You can also put a little bit on the ends of your hair, just the ends, to get rid of the frizz. elbows, don't forget your elbows, and the back of the hands, because obviously we get sun damage on the back of the hands. So the carrot oil is really good for that. If you don't want to work with aromatherapy oils, you can just use carrot oil, black seed oil, almond oil. I would recommend organic because they are cleaner. So I hope you enjoyed that. Take care.